How to get birthday rewards from Panera Bread. Hi everybody and welcome back. Today's video we are going to step to get birthday rewards from Panera Bread. So let's just dive right into the video. Started. In order to do so, you need to follow this method. First of all, you can sign in into your Panera account and you need to basically go ahead and use this option of join my Panera. But to get your birthday reward, so go ahead and use these options right here and click on this option called join my Panera, and you need to have the membership. And if you have joined their loyalty program, then only you will be getting that option. So after that is done, once your birthday is saved, so we can find an option where we need to enter a birthday once this option is entered. And once you do so, they will usually automatically add a reward to your account around your birthday. It usually appears on your birthday or near it. You can just go and open up the Panera application of the website. And once you open it up, when you go over to the option for my rewards or something like that, or wallet, you should be finding the option to see your birthday reward there. You can just go over and redeem it on store or online and just go over and find it. You must manually select it. It does not apply up automatically. And that's it. Usually you can just go and follow this method in order to get the birthday rewards for Panera Bread. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.